Annyeong, this is your Korean study buddy Sunny. Today we'll talk about where did the Perilla leaves argument come from and learn Korean expressions related to this topic. The Perilla leaves argument was first started by a Korean celebrity couple in their 60s when they shared a meal with a female friend. When the friend was struggling to pull Perilla leaves apart, the husband noticed and tried to help her by holding the leaves. At this point, the wife became angry with her husband's behavior, and they had a long-standing argument about it. This personal story was shared in 2019 on the popular TV show 집사부 일체, Master in the House. In the show, the couple brings this argument up and discusses whether or not this behavior was inappropriate. All of their arguments and the cast members' reactions were hilarious, and then it became a popular topic. Right here, let's go over some Korean expressions. The legendary video featuring this argument first has this title, 매너다 vs. 쭉 지켜봤다. 매너다 is the husband's opinion. It translates to it is manners. Within this phrase, 매너 refers to manners and 이다 is the verb be. As you can see, 이 is omitted. 쭉 지켜봤다 is the wife's opinion. This phrase consists of two parts. 쭉, it is an adverb meaning continuously, and 지켜봤다 is the past tense of the verb 지켜보다, meaning to watch. So it translates to he has been watching her, implying that he cares for this female friend, causing his wife's jealousy. Interestingly, due to the Perilla leaves argument popularity, other hypothetical versions of it were created. These include the puffer jacket argument and the shrimp argument. Puffer jacket argument is 패딩 논쟁. 패딩 means a puffer jacket and 논쟁 refers to an argument. So the expression is a question of whether it is acceptable for your boyfriend to zip up a female friend's puffer jacket or not. The shrimp argument is 새우 논쟁. 새우 refers to shrimp. The shrimp argument is a question of whether it is acceptable that your significant other peels shrimp for a female friend. Now that we've learned about the topic and the related Korean expressions, if you are still confused about what Perilla leaves argument is, please click the info card for basic background on this topic. That marks the end of today's video. If you have found this video interesting, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. 안녕!